How to make private account on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 million IDs YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to make private account on Instagram. So guys, if you wanna make your Instagram account as private account, then this video is for you. And if you wanna make your account to be not seen from anyone, then this video is for you. So let's get started. Let's go to Instagram application, and then you have to click on your profile icon here. You can see here, just click on the profile icon and then click on the 3 dash option on the top right of your screen. So just click here, and then you have to click on the gear option here. So you can see here settings, so just click on settings, and then after clicking to settings you will find an option as privacy option here. So what you have to do is just click on the privacy option, and then you have to click on account privacy option here. So you can see here my account is on public. So if you want to make your account, if I want to make my account private, then I will show you how to do it. Just click here and then enable this permission here. So just allow this permission, and then your account will be on a private and nobody will be able to see your account. Nobody will able to see your feeds on Instagram without following you. So guys, this is how you can make Instagram account private. Thanks for watching.